Has your temperature gauge been acting up lately, and you're wondering what might be behind it? Well then, we've got you covered in this video because we're going to go over some of the common reasons, so you'll know what to watch for. Let's get started. But first, to really understand why the temperature gauge might move up and down, it's also important to know that its job is to measure the engine's coolant temperature and show it on the dashboard. This allows the driver to monitor the engine's operating temperature. Normally, the gauge should stay in a certain range, showing that the engine is running at the right temperature. So if your temp gauge goes up and down, it could be due to a few reasons, which we'll explore in detail, starting with reason number 1, thermostat problems. As we mentioned before, the thermostat regulates the flow of coolant through the engine to keep the temperature steady. If the thermostat gets stuck either open or closed, it can disrupt the engine's ability to maintain a consistent temperature. When this happens, the temperature gauge may fluctuate because the thermostat isn't controlling the coolant flow correctly. Reason number 2, coolant level issues. Coolant, antifreeze, is essential for keeping the engine at the proper temperature. If coolant levels drop due to leaks, evaporation, or neglect, the engine may not cool efficiently. With insufficient coolant, heat can't be absorbed and released effectively. This can make the temperature gauge rise and fall as the engine struggles to stay at a stable temperature. Reason number 3, water pump trouble. The water pump moves coolant through the engine and radiator to keep things at the right temperature. If the pump fails because of wear, leaks, or bearing damage, it can't circulate coolant properly. Without proper flow, some parts of the engine may overheat while others stay cooler, causing the temperature gauge to fluctuate. Reason number 4, blockages in the cooling system. Debris, corrosion, or sediment can block the radiator, hoses, or coolant passages. When coolant flow is restricted, certain engine areas may overheat, while others remain cooler, leading to uneven readings on the gauge. Reason number 5, faulty temperature sensor. The sensor reads the coolant temperature and sends data to the gauge. If it malfunctions due to electrical faults, corrosion, or general wear, it can send inaccurate readings. This can make the gauge spike or drop unexpectedly, even if the engine itself isn't changing temperature. Reason number 6, electrical glitches. Problems like loose connections, damaged wiring, or short circuits can affect the sensor and gauge operation. These electrical faults can make the gauge show inconsistent readings, causing sudden ups and downs in the temperature display. If you notice your temperature gauge constantly fluctuating, it's important to figure out the cause early to avoid bigger engine problems. Start by checking the coolant level and inspecting the radiator, hoses, and thermostat for visible issues. If you can't spot the problem, it's best to bring your car to a mechanic for a proper diagnosis. We hope this video helps, and if it does, make sure to like and subscribe so we can keep helping you.